Children, today you are going to learn Science Reader 4. Take out the book and we go to page 26. Okay. Now, activity board 1. Put 2 drops of water onto the objects below. Let's observe, then we do the experiment now. Children, let's observe whether water droplets can be seen on the objects or not. We put 2 drops on the coin. Let's see. Yeah, the water droplets still on the coin. Okay, now we go to the cottons. Now we put 2 drops on the cotton. We see it still remain on the cotton or not. No, you can't see, right? It already absorbed inside. Okay, now we see we put 2 drops on the eraser. We see it can absorb or not inside. No, it cannot absorb, and the water still on top of the eraser. We put 2 drops on the tissue paper. You see, now it already absorbed inside, so you cannot see water droplets on the tissue. Okay, children, you already observed the experiment just now. Now we see whether the water droplets still can be seen on the objects. We already done the experiment for the coin, cotton balls, rubber and tissue. Okay, now complete the table below. Object A. Coin. Just now you can see the water droplets still on the coin, right? So you tick yes. How about B? We don't see the water droplets on top of the cotton balls. So no. Okay. Now we go to C. Eraser. Just now we saw the water droplets still on the eraser. So you have to tick yes here. And D. Tissue paper. We saw the water droplets already absorbed in the tissue paper, so you cannot see the water droplets on top of the tissue. So you put no there. Which object can absorb water? Which one? Cotton balls and also tissue paper. Now we go to another activity board, another page. Page 27. What should the boy use to wipe his sweat? You see he's sweating. Okay, let's talk about it. What are the things that you can take and wipe? You can take the towel and also the tissue paper to wipe off the sweats. Now let's go to green activity 4. Okay, we go to page 26. Okay, non-absorbent objects. Put a cross for the non-absorbent objects. Okay, which one cannot absorb water? You have to do the experiment at home, or you come back to school, then teacher Puni will show you. Okay, now we see t-shirts or slipper. Non-absorbent means it cannot absorb the water. The water cannot go in. So we said slipper. Yeah. And then the second one is pen. Pen cannot absorb water. Non-absorbent. Okay. Here. The sponge and the bottle. Which one cannot absorb water? Non-absorbent. Which one? The bottle. It cannot absorb water. Okay. Now we go to tray and the wool. Okay. We see which one cannot absorb water. Non-absorbent is the tray. Okay. It cannot absorb water. The water cannot go through. Okay. Now we go to another page. We go to another page, page 27. Take the correct picture. Now, we put a rock inside the water. It will float or it will sink. It will sink inside because the rock is very heavy. Okay, now we see towel here. Okay, the towel will absorb all the water and it will sink. Okay, now we go to nail. Okay, we put the nail on top of the water. It will sink inside the water because it is heavy. Okay, and the last one is cotton. Cotton will absorb the water and it will sink inside the water. Okay, children.